myself Advani Muskan, and today in this section we are going to learn a poem. We are going to know a poem from your Honeycomb textbook, that is The Shed. So what basically the shed is? What basically shed is? Shed is actually a rooftop where you can either give a shelter to animals, or either you can store your things. Means it is a multi-purpose room, you can say, where you can do various types of things. Now just before we start the poem, I start explaining the poem, I would like to give you a small activity. Now just look at this picture, and this picture you have, this is actually a picture of a shed. Simple, this is a shed, but after looking at that picture, you have to describe this picture with 5 adjectives. मीन्स आपको ये इस पिक्चर में जो शेड दिया गया है, शेड दिख रहा है आपको, उसकी 5 चीजें आपको डिस्क्राइब करनी है. मीन्स 5 एडजेक्टिव्स वर्ड्स में आपको उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है ये शेड को. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन अवर पोएम. नाउ दिस इज द शेड from your unit 3, and this is poem written by Frank Flynn. Now shed, let's start reading with stanza wise, as there are 4 stanzas in the poem. So let's start reading with stanza wise, and you can also read with me, either you can just listen and understand. There is a shed at the bottom of our garden with the spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. When I am in the bed, I lie and I listen. I'll open the door one day. Now, first of all, who is that I in the poem? I is the poet itself. Means यहाँ पे जो narrator दिख रहा है, that is poet itself. Now he is saying that in his house there was a shed at the bottom of a garden. Means उनके घर में जो गार्डन था, उसके घर के बाहर, मतलब गार्डन में वहां पर उनके क्या था, शेड था एक, which was very old. हमको वो कैसे पता पड़ता है कि वो old है? Because there were spiders web hanging across the door. पूरे उसके दरवाजे हैं वो जाले से भरे हुए थे. स्पाइडर वेब क्या होता है? मकड़ी का जाला. पूरा वो उसका वेब दरवाजे पे था. The hinges are rusty and creak in the wind. The hinges means the attachment, the corner of the door, where जहाँ से हम डोर ओपन करते हैं तो hinges कभी क्रीकिंग की आवाज आती है. आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, जब आप दरवाजा ओपन करते हैं तो वो क्रीकिंग की आवाज आती है. तो जब विंड ब्लो करती है तो वो क्रीक की आवाज वो दरवाजे से आती है. I am in the bed, I lie and I listen. Means when he is in the bed, when the poet is sleeping in the bed, so he listens to that sound very often. I'll open the door one day. Means here we can see that he has never gone to that shed, and it was very isolated place. Means बहुत सी ऐसी सुनसान जगह पे था, तो वो नहीं जाता, कभी नहीं गया था. बट उसको ये सारी चीजें देखकर he was thinking that I will definitely go one day. Means कभी ना कभी वो वहां पर जरूर जाएगा. Now this is first stanza. Let's go to the second stanza. There is a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glasses. Means there was a dusty old window around the side. Means जो shed था उसके बाजू में क्या था, उसके बाजू में मतलब दीवार पे उसके there was a dusty old window. Dusty means बहुत धूल भरी हुई पुरानी सी खिड़की थी. With 3 cracked panes of glasses. Means जो उसके ग्लास थे वो broken थे. Cracked plane मतलब जो उसके glasses थे, विंडो पे जो glasses लगे हुए होते हैं वो क्या थे, टूटे हुए थे. They were broken. I often think there's someone staring at me. Staring means कोई उसकी तरफ गौर से या घूर के देख रहा है. तो So I often think that there is someone staring at me. Means he always feels that there is someone who is looking at him from that window. Each time that I pass, I'll peep through that window one day. Means he now says that whenever I will pass by that window, I will definitely peep through that. जो broken glass था उसके through वो एक बार जरूर वहां से पीप करेगा. पीप करना मतलब झांक कर ऐसे देखना. He says that I will definitely peep through the window one day. यहाँ पर अभी पोएट क्या बोलता है कि जब भी मैं वहां से पास होऊंगा तब मैं वहां पे खिड़की में से झांक कर जरूर देखूंगा. Now let's come with the third stanza. My brother says there is a ghost in the shed. There is a ghost in the shed. Ghost means booth. You all know ghost means his elder brother says that there is a ghost in the shed who hides under the rotten floorboards. Rotten floorboards. What is rotten floorboards? Means जो वहाँ पे फर्श लगा हुआ था, जो वहाँ पे फर्श पे जो टाइल्स लगी हुई थी, that were totally broken. पूरी वो खराब हो चुकी थी. तो what his brother says to him? His brother says that there is a rotten floorboards. There is a ghost who hides under that floorboard. मीन वो टाइल्स जो है टूटी हुई है, उस टाइल्स के नीचे वो जो गोस्ट है वो वहां पर छुपा रहता है. And if I ever dare to set foot inside, I will jump out and chop off my hand. Means his brother says, means his brother warns him that whenever if you will dare to jump out there, मतलब कभी भी तुम वहां पर अंदर जाने की कोशिश करोगे तो वो जो घोस्ट है वो तुम पर जंप करेगा और तुम्हारा हैंड पूरा चॉप कर देगा. Means he will jump out and chop off my head, sorry, पूरा हेड है वो हमारा चॉप कर देगा, मतलब काट देगा. But I will take a peek one day. After hearing all this, then also the poet says that I will definitely take a peek one day. Means वो एक बार वहां पर जरूर झांक कर देखेगा. I know that there isn't really a ghost. My brother tells lies to keep the shed for his den. Now, poet says that I know that there isn't really a ghost. Means वो बोलता है कि यहाँ पे मेरे को पता है कि वहां पर कोई ghost नहीं है. My brother tells lies. भाई उसका भाई वहां पर पक्का झूठ बोल रहा है because he wants his shed for his den. Now what is den? Den means वो चाहता है कि पूरा shed उसका हो. Means वो अपनी चीजें वहां पे रखे, अपना स्टोर करके रखे, अपनी सारी जो खिलौने वगैरह ये है. तो keep the shed for his den. There isn't anyone staring or making strange noises. Means वहां पर कोई भी नहीं है जो वहां पर खड़े रहकर अजीब आवाजें निकालता है. Means the poet understands that thing that his brother was telling him lies. Lies मतलब झूठ बोल रहा है. And the spider has been gone from his web. Means जो वहां पर वेब भी बना हुआ था वो वहां पर वेब में भी वो स्पाइडर नहीं था. सिर्फ वहां पर अभी उसका क्या पड़ा था, बड़ा सा गंदा सा जाला पड़ा था, वेब पड़ा था. बट देयर वाज नो स्पाइडर इन दैट वेब. Since I don't know when, I will go into the shed one day soon. Now here he says that मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं कब जाऊंगा, but I will definitely go into the shed one day. Means he says that I will definitely go. Means he doesn't know that when he will go, but he says that he will definitely go into the shed one day. Means in spite of all these things, his lies and someone staring at me, either saying that ghost is there, कुछ भी इसके भाई ने उसको डराया हो, लेकिन फिर भी यहाँ पर पोएट बोलता है कि वो वहां पर एक बार जरूर देखने जाएगा. बट नॉट जस्ट येट. मीन्स अभी नहीं, पर वो कभी ना कभी वहां पर वो शेड में जरूर देखने जाएगा कि व्हाट आफ्टर ऑल देयर इज. मीन्स आखिर वहां पर है क्या. Now, the poem which we have read just now is basically a narrative poetry. What is narrative poetry? Narrative poetry is a poem, but it at the same time it also tells us the story, means a story which is written in the poem form. It also contains all the story elements like characters, the author's feelings, and the main purpose, the why the poet has written it in the story form is to entertain the readers. Means अगर रीडर ये पोएम को रीड कर रहे हैं, so they can be more enthusiastic to read this poem that there is a some story in this. Means एक स्टोरी जब होती है तब हमको वो रीड करने में ज़्यादा मज़ा आता है. The main purpose of the poet is that to leave a story to the reader. I hope you also must have got entertained with the story which is written in the poetry form. So that's all about the poem. Thank you and